Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I want to show you how to burn or copy your DVDs onto your Mac using an app called Handbrake. Currently, I have a few DVDs that are really old that I want to be able to have on my computer, my iPad, my iPhone, and play them wherever and whenever I want to. So first, let's get started. You're going to need to go to this website and download Handbrake. Once you do that, you also need from VLC, which is a great media player, plays pretty much any file. Go to Projects. And get this, Libdvdcss. Now, what you're going to do with that is you're going to add it to a folder. Go over to Finder. You're going to add it to this folder right here, /USR/local/lib. I'll just show you. I've already added it. Right there. So obviously I've added that, and obviously I have Handbrake. So what you're going to want to do next, get the DVD you want to copy. Load that in. I already have that in on mine. I'm going to select it. This is going to vary depending. Once this completes scanning, we'll go to the next step. Awesome. So this is what I want to copy in. Now it will automatically select the longest, which is what you want to keep it on. Don't really need to mess around with a whole lot of stuff. So if you want to experiment and change a bunch of things, feel free, but if you do it this way exactly, it should work for you. So on preset, you want to change this to normal in the legacy tab. Make sure your format is on MP4, not MKV. So we'll keep that there. Now over here in filters, you want to set deinterlace to decomb. And then you want to set interlace detection to fast. Not sure if I to change this. Don't think so. I guess we'll know if it doesn't work. And I'll remake this video. So now over here, under encoder options, we'll scale that down to medium. Under frame rate, same as source, make sure that is selected. Audio options, subtitle options, chapters. Well, the first time I did this, I did not have this unchecked. I had it checked, and it didn't work for me. It was kind of frustrating. Waited a long time for it to do its thing, and then it didn't work. So don't do what I did. Definitely uncheck create chapter markers. Now come down here, make sure your location where you want to put the file is correct. mine is, and the name, which I'm just going to change that, fill space, and start. Now, depending on how long it is, I mean, I've had some go really fast. I've had some take hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe even a little bit longer. I haven't done any DVDs that are just episodes of TV shows yet. But I do know if you were doing something shorter that was like 20 or 30 minutes and you're doing a bunch of them and it was all on that one disc, that you could pretty much go here, back to title, and that second episode would be listed underneath. And you could just put that right in the queue and start that. So when the first one stops and finishes, it's going to start that second one, third one, fourth one, and so on. So this is saying 7 hours. It's going down fast. That'll probably adjust down to probably, like I said, hour and a half. All right, well, I hope this helps everybody out. Feel free to drop a like, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Peace.